Hello everybody, and special salutations to the parents who are living gods on this earth. I am Dr. Arun and I am very proud. The reason is because I became a doctor and Texila made it possible. I thank God for putting me where I am and what I am today, and it is an immense pleasure to help out other juniors and prospective doctors. Welcome aboard. I should say a few things about myself so I can earn some credibility, so my voice and my words will have some impact. Because Vivekananda said, words should be able to inspire people. And Che Guevara once said, words that are spoken without an impact are useless. I don't want to be just another useless person here. And I hail from Trichy. My father was an advocate. My mom is a school teacher. She's a PG assistant, and I have a younger brother. I completed my plus 2 in Tamil Nadu High Secondary Board. I scored somewhere around 92%, and because of the reservations and other formalities, I wasn't able to get through medicine right away. So I decided to work with my own merit and what I had, and I had a little anger too. So I continued. I got into my PCB stream of counseling, and I got through with Anna University Trichy. I completed my BTech of Biotechnology. Well, my dream always was to become a doctor. That is not because of an inspiring story. Most people have it, but mine was from my grandfather's death. He was a doctor, and even when he perished, people still continue to refer to him as his doctor. His bodily remains were gone, but his legacy was always there. And then I realized firsthand the impact of being a doctor in a society and doing something for it. And then while I was growing up, I had this wonderful physician, and he was my pediatrician. So I was really inspired by him. That is the second inspiration I had. So when people ask me what I want to become, I never told them I want to be a doctor. I used to say I want to be Dr. Swami, because his name was Swaminathan and he was my pediatrician. So I always used to say that. And my dream was set by these things. And as I grew up, I realized being a doctor, I get to do something I love the most, saving people, because I can keep my head high and I say outside, I save lives for a living. So that is how this journey began. I chose biotechnology in the stream of engineering because I wanted to be close to medicine, and I specialized in molecular biology because my project work was on DNA recombinant technology. So still I had this lingering desire of staying close to medicine, biology and pharmaceuticals and all those things, and I was pretty good at it. After finishing my degree, I had a few offers from companies, reputed ones, to work. But soon I realized that wasn't my call. So one fine morning I told my father I wanted to go back to the medicine stream. He was quite surprised. He asked me if I want to go back and do some post-graduation in medical specialty. I said, no dad, I want to be a doctor. He was a little taken aback, but he was a very supportive father, and thank you God for that again. He suggested me why I don't look for some programs from foreign universities that can give me like a link between molecular biology and medicine. And that is how come I ended up finding this American MD program, where you should have had a post-graduation degree as medicine and you should have completed an undergraduation degree to qualify for that. So at that stage, I was at the right period where I just graduated from my undergraduation and I was ready to do post-graduation, and I chose medicine to do it. Now, there were a few things I actually looked at when I was planning to do my medicine, because medicine is more of an art than a science, where you have to practice rather than just learn it. So the most important thing I looked at is where I'll be practicing. Obviously it was going to be my home country, and getting into my home country's medical stream at that stage, like my father said, is going to be taking me off the track. So I thought of going overseas, completing my medicine, where it could be a good link and a useful thing to get me back from molecular biology to medicine. And the American MD program, offered at different places in the same American curriculum, was the best option. I wasn't able to afford the education directly in America, and they had a lot of procedures. As you have already completed a biotechnology program, you become a professional shifting changes. It's going to be a cumbersome process in the States. So what I did is, find an American curriculum, find a university that offers the same thing in the same quality but in a different location, which was sufficed by Texila American University.